I'm trying to get these lightning strikes, even though this is raining. This the second. This is second day of. This is the second day of raining, and also the second day of lightning, thunder, and lightning strikes. But it's light raining compared to well, it's light raining for the day. You know, last night, well, the night before to last morning was the heaviest of rain with real hard wind. Right now, it's not really windy out here. Really, it's not really windy at all. But then you get this light rain now, and these thunders, lightning, and lightning strikes. I'm trying to hold my phone here as much as I can. Oof, oof. You see, I can't even turn around and give y'all the actual lightning strikes that I need, that I kind of wanted to, because they're hitting in all different directions. I hope y'all hear the thunder right there. Yeah, that's the thunder right there. Come on, where's the lightning? I need some more lightning. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry, y'all, if it seems like it's that it's going so long, or if it's prolonging. Well, let's say I don't control the lightning, but I'm trying to get much as I can here, because I'm really about ready to put this phone up and upload this video. Though this video is already going on 2 minutes 30 seconds. Oh man, come on. Yeah, this is gonna be a little bit. If I could get one lightning strike in this direction that I'm standing in, then I'm gonna put the phone up. If I can't get a lightning strike coming across the phone screen, then I might just put this phone up. And it's already after 3 minutes. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Give me some more lightning. Well, lightning strike at that. Give me that line. Give me that beautiful line. I can't believe I'm still up. I should have went to sleep. But, come on. Darn it. That was a lightning strike, but I don't know if y'all caught that. The line. I don't know if y'all caught that. I might piece up another video. 4 minutes, yeah. Let me go ahead and piece the. Let me get back to it.